friends, I'm making lunch for my husband and I and for my kids. So my husband and I, we're going to be having stir fry, kind of a fajita. We're going to make fajitas. So I've got carne picada, which is cut up beef. It was only $5.63 from Aldi. And this was $1 from Dollar Tree. It is pepper stir fry. It's yellow onion, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and green bell pepper. And this was $1 from Dollar Tree. It's french fries. You just stick them in the oven with some salt. And these were like $3, maybe close to $4 from Aldi. So real cheap, making basically restaurant food. Let's go. And super easy to make too. Let's go. Okay, so for both of these, I'm just using half the bag. So this is good for 2 meals, and I've got 4 kids. So I'm actually, now that I'm looking at these, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil and some salt. Let's go. Pour it in the whole bag. Okay, while that's cooking and the other's cooking, I'm gonna cut up strawberries for my kids. These are from Aldi for $2. Excited? Is it yummy? You like it? You like strawberries? Yesterday I made brown rice, mashed potatoes, and lentils. I'm gonna put some of that on my husband's plate. Okay, I'm gonna warm this up in the microwave. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye. Where online teachers eat their lunch.